Hi, today we're going to look at a system of equations using three variables. So three variables, three equations. I have three equations here. This may not look like your typical equation, but it still is. There's an equal sign. There's one of our variables in there. Cool. Here we're using x, y, and z. Our goal is for us to find x equals number, y equals number, z equals number. Now in this case, I already have y equals number. I have one of our answers. Great. Let's start working our way backwards and try and fill in what's x, what's z. So if I look at my smaller equation, I could take this 2 and plug it in for that y, and the only thing I have left to solve for is x. Great. Let's plug this in and see if we can at least get x as an answer. So we're going to say x plus 3, put the 2 in, equals 10. So again, I took this and I put it right there. But let's just simplify away and get x alone. Multiply, you get 6. Subtract that 6 to get it away. X equals 4. Congrats. We have x and now y. Now we have to figure out what's the z going to be. Well, let's take our big equation all the way at the very top. We have negative 3x plus 4y plus 5z equals 1. I know what x is. I know what y is. I want to take both of them, substitute them in, and we're only going to have one variable left. Okay, so negative 3 and 4, 4 and 2. We're left with 5 and z, and then that 1. And let's multiply away. 3 and 4 gives us 12, which is going to be a negative. 4 and 2 is the 8. So let's combine like terms. 12 and the 8 gives us a negative 4. And then move that 4. And divide. So here we have our three answers, x, y, and z. Now the only reason we could do it this way, we had an answer partially, and here we then only had two variables. So we could work our way substituting in. So essentially what we're doing is just a substitution method, or really the end half of the elimination method. When you already have two equations, you already have one answer, you plug it back into the other. That's what we're doing here, but to a larger scale. Now, how do I write this as an answer? Well, I want to write it as a coordinate. You were used to x's and y's. Now we're dealing with three dimensions, x, y, and z. All you gotta do is plug it in alphabetical order. My final answer is going to be 4, 2, 1, x, y, z. And if we happen to have a, b, and c as our variables, you just put it alphabetical order, a, b, c, if you had that. That is system of equations using three variables.